our 72-inch sandwich prep table. First off, the overall dimensions. We have a length of 72 inches long. The depth from the front of the cutting board towards the back of the prep table, we have 33 inches. Height with wheels, we have 44.5 inches tall. Minus the guard cover, we have 36 inches tall. Measurements for the cutting board will include 72 inches in length with a depth of 14.5 inches. Left and right swing doors on top, and beneath will be your storage pans for toppings, meat, vegetables, and much more. For the first section will be 10 pans, and the second, 8 pans. Total of 18 pans will be included. Measurements for each pan will include 6.5 inches in length by 7 inches in depth, with the interior dimensions including 5.25 inches in length, about 5.5 inches in depth, and 6 inches in height. The size of these pans are the 1/6 pans, and these will be included for the prep table. Coming to the bottom will be 3 separate doors and sections for the refrigerator. Included will be 3 adjustable shelves that can be adjusted to the preferred height. Each shelf will measure 16 inches in depth by 17.5 inches in length. Measurements apply for each of the 3 shelves. Overall length from the left to right shelf in one continuous row, we have 67.25 inches long. For the interior dimensions, we have a depth of 13.5 inches with a length of 58.25 inches. Overall height for the interior, we have 26 inches tall. Coming to the right column will be the ETL certification along with the technical specifications for this prep table. Coming to the back of the sandwich prep table is the 110 and 120 voltage plug along with the controller to operate this prep table. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.